Guys, I'm back with my new video where I'm going to review the Razer blackwidow chroma V2 gamers heaven keyboard. Now it's at the dirt cheap rate price. At Flipkart you could get it at 9,600 rupees at an exclusive discounts. If you get it's a YOLO key edition, that is YOLO switch edition keyboard. uh, let's open it up and show you the main game. Well, I have connected the keyboard and everything is just nice. Well, this is a thing that is totally magnetic. You can possibly uh, just attach it. This is magnetic and you're on the way to go. The key is anomic and pressing it is like it's feeling very premium. It's not low quality plastic. The plastic level is too good, and the clicky noises, yeah. So it's a all-in-one deal of the money stuff. And look at those lightings, those breathing lights. There are many modes in it. I haven't tried it a lot since but you can always change the effects with the Razer thing, you know, the Razer chroma app. You can change anything. If you change it to breathing, then the color would change like this. You breathe away from all different colors, and there is a restriction to it. You can do it to random colors, then it will breathe it with random color breathing. You can see like it's green, now it's white. Wow, it's great. Looking forward for more options. We can go to fire and you can see, wow, looking great, right? Wow. Like God of War theme, like something like that. Amazing. And there are many things like reactive, also reactive, apply other custom enable devices. In reactive you can possibly change the color to your desired stuff, like it's white or something like this. So when you press something it would react. Wow, seems almost like special effect. Wow. And spectrum cycling is like most of the RGB keyboards. We have this function out there that used to change color like this. This is specifically a normal mode that is present in any RGB keyboard. And next is starlight. Okay, let's see. In starlight you can random color. You can see the goodness. So and this is a totally money vasool shot, man. It's totally paisa vasool stuff. If you are seeing this, oh my god, wow. One more thing, even this also changes. Nice. Okay, put it back. And there are many options like this. After starlight there's static, you know, it will remain the same. Then there's wave. This is the wave pattern. Okay, and you can change the direction of the waves from right to left, anywhere you feel like. And next is, let's see, ripple. So what is ripple? This, ooh, seems like a science fiction stuff. Wow. And then there is none, normal keyboard. I think starlight is something has depicted its best, you can see. So I will keep this one. Now coming to value to performance, you in value to performance mode you getting more extra keys to, you know, customize your gaming essentials while you're gaming. You know, as a gamer you need extra keys for you know, your extra setup thing. If you want something like trigger this, trigger that, movement and all, something like that. And it has also on spot macro, something that it will record, or you can link a program to it. You can you can do many things with it. I don't know, I am just a new user to it, so please forgive me for any of the mistakes I'm committing over here. I'm pretty new to this, but one of my friends says that it records the stuff that you said, and deliberately in particular game you can use that feature that you have used earlier, so that's a nice shot for it. So, and that's my PC. Oh, so anyways, so for 9,500 rupees, if you're getting this, it's a steal of to deal offer. And yeah, yet I think the stocks are very much limited in Flipkart or something. You could barely get it outside market at 10,500. If you're willing to own this keyboard, you can get it from MD Computers. I will give it drop a link to MD Computers and Flipkart both. And I know many of my users who are here, they're from MD Computers. Yes, this is the keyboard you should have if you're a gamer like me. Yes, you should go for it blindly, because the premium, the feel, and one more thing, the keyboard is really heavy. It's not that normic. With the normic design, many keyboards come lightweight, but this one is really heavy, almost 1.5 kgs maybe, or not, I'm not wrong, maybe up to 1 kg or something. It is heavy, you can see. Yeah, it's heavy. So this is a featured video on my exclusive unboxing video on this, and if you want this product, you can directly log into MD Computers to get your one. And if you want to get yourself lucky, you can directly log into Flipkart, and you can search for the best deal you have, or any Amazon. If you get the deal, just go for the deal. So this is me signing off. I hope you enjoy the video, and happy gaming. Thank you.